As a separate video appendix, I will provide an overview by going through a number of vehicle types as they have been released by Dragon, focusing in particular on the kinds of tracks and barrels that are included in the different kits. As it pertains to track types, I will be distinguishing between individual links on sprues, pre-cut tracks such as Magic tracks or EZ tracks, or DS vinyl tracks. When it comes to barrels, I will be highlighting whether it is a two-piece barrel, one-piece plastic barrel, or a metal barrel. I will also focus on the potentially confusing or downright misleading product numbering where this occurs. The first part of the appendix will be released alongside this video and will cover German World War II vehicles such as the 250 and 251 APCs, the Hetzer, and Panzer I through Panzer IV. Link to the appendix video is in the description. The second part, when it's done, is meant to cover Panthers, Tigers, Stuks, and some other assorted German vehicles of the Second World War. The third is intended to cover a selection of Allied vehicles as well as the Japanese ones. Thus, the proportions of the three appendices should reflect the proportions of different Dragon kits for each of those types. It is very time-consuming researching, filming, and editing these videos, so if you're interested in watching parts 2 and 3 of the appendix, you should be very patient. Apologies in advance, and I hope you'll enjoy.